hand. You can go back of the hand to back of the other hand. So if you put your wrists together, you're going to, in the cradle, how you have your hand flexed backwards like that, have your wrists together, and it's going to roll towards the audience, so away from you, into your other hand. You can go backhand to backhand to forehand, forehand to forehand, forehand to backhand, forehand to backhand, or any other combination. That's the thing. Every trick you do has an opposite trick. It's like learning twice as many tricks. Backhands, backhand to forehand, and then I'm switching, backhand to forehand, switch, forehand, palm to palm, forehand. People call those a palm.